Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you coming in today. And so a lot of you have asked questions about this piece after I had done it, whether I was going to put lights in it. If you haven't seen the video for this, you need to check it out right there. It's on the channel as well. I have been puzzled about what type of lighting, if any, I was going to put in it. I didn't want to take away from the beauty of the wood, and so I was really thinking through whether I put LEDs or run wire. Well, over at Harbor Freight, they've got this little battery operated copper wire light. Comes with a little pack. It's got a charger in it. A remote in it. It is battery operated, but I thought because it's copper, it would blend in really good inside of here. And I'm going to just figure out a way to keep it up in there. Maybe mount it with some super glue. I really just don't know. Never used this before, and I certainly haven't used it anything like that for this type of an application. So at any rate, I'm going to go ahead and get busy, and I'm just glad you're here. All right.
So once I got the copper wire out of the package, I really just made a couple of little twists at the very top of the piece, and the rest of the wire just kind of sits inside the cavity of the sculpture. So I didn't have to use glue or any other type of adhesive, and the final product is super awesome. And there it is. So I love the amber glow against the cedar. Granted, I'm filming this while it's daylight outside, so I can't wait to see it tonight, but you get the general idea. I hope you've enjoyed this. I really appreciate you guys checking out the channel. Check out the original video if you haven't. I've got more projects coming. Give me a thumbs up if you see something you like. Love the comments. Y'all take care.